using American Express gift card on PayPal. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can use American Express gift card on PayPal. So let's get started. In order to do that, first go to your PayPal account and now click on the option that says wallet. After clicking on that option, you will see a new option that says link a new card or bank. Click on that. And from these three options, click on the option number 1 that says link a debit or credit card. After that, you will see there is an option that says American Express gift card. Now click on this option, and after clicking on this option, you have to agree and connect. Now you have to click on debit or credit card option. After that, you have to add your American Express gift card option or card details, and that's how you will be able to add your American Express gift card to the PayPal account. That's all. That's how you will be able to do it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.